Hi folks, how are you all doing today? This is time for chasing game. What say guys? Shall we create a chasing game? Of course, yes. Right. So we've been creating so many games so far, and we've learned what is Scratch and how to create programs on Scratch. Yeah. So today we will be learning how to create a chasing game, right? Most probably, where do we see chasing dogs, chasing cats, or cats chasing mouse? Something like that, right? So let's do a dog chasing a cat. Okay. So how would a dog chase a cat? Let's see. So I would just want to choose a backdrop first of all. Let's choose something like a forest backdrop. So I'm getting a forest backdrop, and then we're getting a sprite from here. Without any delay, I'm just starting off. I don't know why, but yeah. So I hope you're all doing well, and let's get a dog first. Dog. So which dog you all like? This is also running, and this is also, it feels like it's like that. I think I like this dog. So then let's get another one called is maybe a cat, right? Let's search for a cat. We have few of them here. I think I'll just get this cat. Both are very big. I feel both are very big. So I'm just clicking on dog. I'm just changing this to 60%. And cat, let's change it to 40%. Okay, these are very small, I think. 50. Cool. Okay, so this is well and good now. So let's start coding with dog. Sorry, dog, right? So what I want my dog to do is there are two ways of doing this game, this chasing game. Okay. So without your intervention, if you want to do it, we can do it like that. But if you want to intervene and do something, right? If you want to your player also to do something, definitely you can do like that also, right? First, I will show you without any human intervention. That means without our player's intervention. So how to do the game, right? So what will you do? So go to events when green flag clicked. We would just want to make the process do something forever. Okay. So go to control. Let's get forever, right? Inside forever, what do we want to do? Basically, it has to point towards cat, and then it has to start moving in that direction, right? So in motion, we already have a block called this point towards. Okay. So point towards cat. Point towards cat, and point towards will only point towards that direction, but it will not move. For a movement, you should be having move block. So I'm just giving 3 steps for now. Okay, so point towards cat and move 3 steps, right? And like you can see, we have multiple costumes on the dog, right? We have 3 costumes for the dog. So yeah, let's let's switch costumes also. That would look more good, right? So when green flag clicked, I would want to do it. So okay, let's go to control and do it forever, right? So forever, then looks and get next costume. So while changing costume, it also has to wait for some time. So I'll just wait for zero point 0.2 seconds. I hope that would be enough. If this is too fast, we can change it again. Okay. So let's quickly check it out. What exactly your dog is doing. So, oh yeah, it's glitching because the cat is already here, right? So it is not able to move anywhere. Okay. Whatever we were thinking of is absolutely possible, and it is doing the thing. Now I would just start off with the cat. So cat, when green flag clicked, right? We would want to do something forever. So let's get forever. Okay. And what would a cat do? So basically, it would just stop moving. So it doesn't really have any other costumes So what shall we do on this? We'll just duplicate it, right? I would say I'll just click on it and I will flip vertically to change the direction of it. Okay. And not only that, if you want to change something over here, yeah, you can do that. So I'm just changing the directions of these so that it looks like it is moving, right? Also, we can do the change over here. So I will click on it and I would, yeah, I think this change is enough, most probably. Okay. So we'll switch costumes from here till there. I think that would be enough. So forever we want to change or we want to go to next costume definitely. And we would want to wait also. So I will just give zero point 0.2 seconds. If that is too fast, we can change it later. So again, when green flag clicked, we would want to do something forever. So basically, it has to move randomly on the screen, right? So I would say go to random position. Let's use this and wait zero point 0.1 seconds and go again, right? So that it doesn't really move very quickly. Okay, it takes some random position now, right? Let's quickly do execute this and check what happens. So you can see it is randomly moving here and there, and this dog is, oh my god, it is struggling so hard to reach. This is so quick. The random movement is so quick, right? I think I would stop it. Instead of using go to random position, right? I would say glide 1 seconds to random position. So instead of 1 seconds, we'll say zero point 0.3 seconds. Okay, let's do this and check what happens. Oh, yeah, cool. So it's doing the thing, and I would not rotate my dog like this, right? It is actually rotating, it is inverted, right? So this inverted position doesn't really look good. So what shall we do? We actually have a solution for it. Set rotational style, just left, right. Okay, we can actually set it over here. One time set is enough. Yeah. Okay, it's not doing the thing like that. Even this gliding thing is like it's not so very smooth. It's so random, correct? So we can also create a random movement, right? So how would you create a random movement again? It's pretty simple. This set rotational shift thing, don't rotate. Let's say set rotational style, don't rotate. Okay, because we have used point words, right? So I don't think it would do it. Okay, so forever, let's remove this thing. Let's say forever. I just want to move my cat. So move some around 10 steps, then turn right by some number of degrees, maybe like 6 degrees or so. Okay. If if on edge it has to bounce back, right? And turn left again. So this is to change the direction, so I'm just turning left by 4 degrees, right? So this will continuously do itself, do the thing forever, so that would actually make the movement possible, I hope. So let's see how this is happening. Yeah. Okay, cool. It's just randomly it is moving somewhere and it is chasing it. And I think I will give a slower movement on the dog, not even 3 steps I will give. Let's see. It should be a little slower so that it is not always touching your cat instead, it has to struggle hard to touch your cat. Cool. This is without human intervention, it is doing things, right? Now, what if with human intervention it has to do something, right? So, how would you do that? Instead of point towards cat, right? So, you would say point towards mouse pointer. We can do something like this. So, wherever your mouse points, like wherever your mouse goes, it points towards that and it starts moving in that direction. Okay. I will quickly show it to you. See, wherever my mouse is pointing towards, it's just pointing towards that direction. Okay. So if I point towards cat, it also has to point. I have to manually move it. If not, say it comes to my mouse and it starts glitching like that. Okay. Because it just point towards my mouse pointer actually, and it starts moving in that direction. Okay. So it's just moving and moving and moving. Cool. So this is a chasing game. It is chasing cat now. I really like it. It's cool, right? Isn't it? It's absolutely doing the thing pretty well. And we can add so many things on this, right? We'll see what all we can add in the version 2.0. What say, guys? Okay. So for today, it's still here, right? So far, I hope this is good, and it's just chasing the mouse. Sorry, it's just chasing the cat now, right? Dog chasing cat. Okay, dog chasing cat. Right. Okay. So I hope whatever we've been doing on the cat and dog is all clear to you guys, right? So we'll continue this and we'll add more features on this in the next session, right? Okay. So I will say I will rename this as 1.0. We'll do it. We'll update it in the next session. What say? Yeah. Oh, okay. I would just share it with you guys. And yeah, this is all for today. And I hope you all like this thing, right? And we'll continue doing it in the next session, however. Okay. So this is something about our today's session. I will be meeting you all in the next session, right? So till then, you know what you have to do. You have to keep watching, keep coding, right? And yes, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Okay. So bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all. Thank you so much for watching this video.